The ultimate Boogzel clothing review, tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're shopping for trendy, quality fashion, most people get this wrong by buying cheap, low-quality pieces that don't last. The surprising truth about Boogzel clothing is that it offers well-crafted apparel with modern designs, comfort-focused fabrics, and styles that work for both casual and professional settings. First, browse the website and collections. You won't believe how organized it is with categories like streetwear, essentials, and seasonal collections. Each item includes size guides and material details for a better fit. Next, check customer reviews. Most people get this wrong by skipping this step, but real user feedback highlights fit, fabric quality, and style accuracy. Positive reviews often show how garments hold up after multiple washes. Pay attention to sales and bundles. The surprising truth is that Boogzel frequently offers discounts and combo deals, making it easier to build a versatile wardrobe without overspending. Finally, care for your clothes properly. You won't believe how long your garments last when washed according to instructions, kept out of harsh sunlight, and stored neatly. Proper maintenance keeps fabrics vibrant and shapes intact. In conclusion, Boogzel clothing can take you from 0 to pro in wardrobe building. By browsing collections, reading reviews, leveraging promotions, and maintaining garments properly, you can enjoy stylish, high-quality clothing that combines comfort, durability, and fashion for design.